Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Have you subscribed? If you have not, please press the subscribe button, okay? So recently Banggood sent me this Eachine Tyro79, and the feedback I saw from the community is that it's very cheap, only at US dollar 79 for what you get. So Eachine has done it again, making something that's value for money with a decent price. And so here's how's the look, the box looks like, and it's, frankly speaking, very nice. In fact, it was wrapped in a clear plastic sheet as well as protection. And through some transportation, I got it dented here and there, but seriously, the presentation was very nice. And so the bottom's supposed to be taped as well, and wonder what this QR code is for. Maybe it links to the product information. So let's unbox, and frankly speaking, it's rather hard to open because they are really tight, close together. So look at the stuff inside. Okay, I'm not going to do a detailed review about unboxing because I'm going to do something different. So you get, this is what you get, the base carbon fiber frame, which I believe, if I remember, is 3 mm thickness. This is a VTX 5.8. The propellers, there are 4 of it. Then motors, there are 2 types, the normal rotation and the counter rotating. Then this is the camera mount. Oh my god, carbon fiber wrench. This is really very caring, and also damn cool stuff. What? As I believe it's not, I mean, even in China it's not cheap with this material, carbon fiber material. Then you get this, the flight controller, ESC, 4-in-1 ESC. What is this? I think it's a frame, part of the frame. Cable tie, oh my god, even cable tie, and Velcro strap. This essential connectors, and this is the front frame. Also, there's a camera. Alright, so I'm going to do something very different because I saw on YouTube everyone is buying this for high speed, for like racing type of hobby. I'm going to do something different, which is, yep, this is a Dison frame, 3-inch frame. So I'll be putting electronics into this and see how it works. Frame is about, this one, 119 gram, which is, I think it's still light, but there are lighter options, off the shelf option out there. So I'll put it on this and yeah, do a video, show you. Maybe I'll put on a run cam or a GoPro Hero with or without the stabilization.
As you can see, I'm using a wavable weld, and what that does is put a little flux on here.
very cheap Tyro79 electronics in a Dison frame. If you're looking to do a Cinewhoop and on a low budget, you can get a Tyro79. And Banggood also given me a coupon code which makes it down to USD 67. So that's a USD 12 US dollar discount. So what's my comment about this? It's cheap and it's really powerful on a 4S. I'm using an 850 milliamp 4S with 75C. And I try both brand, Tattoo and also Infinity. Yeah, Infinity. And flight time without this camera, flight time is just with just a FPV camera lasted 8 minutes. It's initially, as I showed you in the video earlier, which I already died down the throttle response with Expo of 45. Before that, the throttle response was crazy fast, but that's probably because it's still very light without a GoPro camera, since people use this for ducted fan for Cinewhoop concept. And I'll try with 1600 4S battery, no, 2200 6S battery, 4S battery as well, see how that performs. And before long, I mean the last few years I've been playing mostly RC planes. I hardly play this really, but before I play RC plane, I actually play with quad, those 450 size quad, and flying fast through hoses, through skipping through gaps and following routes. And then when the 5-inch trend started to boom, I just played for a while, I didn't follow through, and after that I just started playing RC plane. And I can see the big difference with the software, the ESC technology nowadays is, well, the rate is so much faster. Like when I'm hovering this and then holding it, I just shake it and I feel that the ESC response is so way super crazy faster than like 5-6 years ago when those 450 F450 size just started. So really impressive. And then there's hardly any jello where we have to deal with last time. There was also oscillation back then with the previous flight controllers and ESC, but this just use the default tune right out of the box and it flies fine. Only complaint is that the yaw is a little bit tight, a little bit irresponsive, but that's to be expected from a quad instead of a tricopter. Tricopter will have a much smoother yaw. So another thing about the build actually can be pretty easy because everything is just plug and play. But the one that I got here, Banggood sent it to me in end of August, and there are different. The VTX is definitely different. The FC seems to have a slight difference as well. So, I mean, you can just plug and play, but to be cautious, because you know, in some case, some China product, they tend to come with the plug with the wires on the wrong side, on the wrong pin. So just to be safe, I search on YouTube for a model that is the same as this, but unfortunately I cannot find anything that has the same VTX as this. Others have similar but slight variation. So after like 3-4 hours searching, found nothing. I took a plunge and just connect everything, just plug, and then it just worked. There's no issue. Also, the VTX comes with only 3 wires, so I'll be soldering the TX1 to the data port on the VTX after this, so that I can change the frequency, the video channel. Because over here, the normal VTX, there are like 4 LED plus 8 LED, but this one is weird. There's only total of 7 LEDs, so I'm not sure pressing that, how does it translate to which channel. So definitely I need to work on the smart audio. And also thanks to those posted video about building this on YouTube, that helps because I didn't play quad for a long time really. And also thank you Banggood for sending this product. I'll be posting the video now, and you can check out the coupon in the description to slash the price down to 67 instead of $79 US. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so that I can produce more video like this for you. Thank you. Bye. Also, by the way, it's Banggood 13th anniversary birthday, so you can find a lot of promo codes and discount in the description. So thanks for watching. Thank you for your support. Bye.